How to stop autoplay in YouTube. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on autoplay. Now, as you can see here, the autoplay next video option is turned on. So all what you need to do to disable it and to stop the autoplay on YouTube is to click on that toggle next to it to turn it off. And once you do that, the autoplay will be stopped. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off the autoplay feature on YouTube. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.